Thought I'd do a quick little video here on installing the oil pressure and regulator valves. So I use these bolster drives here, the nut, and it uses a quarter drive socket in the center, so that helps you get it put on. I make sure the flange is nice and clean, and then I use a copper washer in there with a little bit of the black goo that you typically use for your Volkswagens, the aviation cement. So then I just wind these things down by hand to make it nice and easy. Just using a little hand driver here and just snug it up a little bit. Same with this one. I think I've already tightened this one up. There we go. And then you can switch to the torque wrench, and I torque these to, doing the one-handed camera thing, I torque these to 20 foot-pounds, and that's pretty reasonable. I mean, if you feel that with a ratchet, it's pretty tight. So I just like to put a torque on anything that has it's a fastener, just to make sure it stays tight. So there we go, installed. And those are usually pretty well oil tight, because it's pretty hard to get those stock ones with the slot in there, and then you're using an impact driver and you don't really know how much pressure you're putting on it. Here you can actually feel it. So I base the torque on what I've been kind of tightening to, and I've tried backing them off, and it's around 20 foot-pounds. So that's what I've been running with.